comes question 5. Question 5 says f of x is this, where a and b are constants. Given that 3x minus 4 is a factor of f of x, show that 16a plus 9b is equals to 56. So the thing is, if this 3x minus 4 is a factor of your function, then this means if you put that equals to 0, that means 3x minus 4 equals to 0, you get x to be equals to 4 over 3. If you substitute this 4 over 3 in this, your function should be equals to 0. Okay, so let's do that and find out from this the expression in a and b. Okay, so let's do that. So f of 4 over 3 should be equals to 0, as 3x minus 4 is a factor of this function. So let's substitute this value in the function. We have the function 3x cube plus a x square minus 10x plus b. Okay, so in these brackets we will be substituting our 4 over 3. And this should all be equals to 0. So let's solve it and try and understand this. So this will become 4 cube is 164. Okay, this 3 over 3 cube, so 1 3 will be cancelled with the 1 3 and 3 square will be left behind, so 9. Okay, you can do it stepwise if you want, but let's just do it, cancel the things that you can, so make it easy. So 4 times is 16, so 16a over 9 because 3 square minus 40 over 3 plus b equals 0. So to make it simpler, let's multiply the whole equation by 9. Okay, so it will become 164 plus 16a minus 120 plus 9b equals 0. Now these are the two constant terms, add them together. 164 minus 120 is 44. Equals 0. Okay, 1 second. What's the mistake in this? Sorry, 4 cube is 64. Why I write 164? Yeah, small mistakes we need to keep into consideration so that we don't okay, it's a prove that question, so you can identify your mistake easily because we need to prove it, but otherwise we should be very careful for this. 120 minus 64 will be 56. So this will give you 16a plus 9b equals to 56, and this is what we needed to prove. Yeah, okay. Now part B, they say that given that further that when f of x is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is b. So if something is a remainder, so that means if you put this x minus 2 equals to 0, you will get x equals to 2, and if you will do f of 2, you should be getting b. So let's do this f of 2 equals to b, okay, in the given equation. So your equation is 3x cube plus ax square minus 10x plus b. This is your equation, and if you substitute in 2 in it, you should be getting b. So we have f of 2 should be equals to b. So this is your f of x for reference. So f of 2 would be 3 times 2 cube plus 8 times 2 square minus 10 times 2 plus b equals to b. So from here b and b will cancel out and your equation will just be in a. So we can easily find a then. So 2 cube is 8, 3 times is 24 plus 4a square minus 20 equals 0. So 24 minus 20 is 4. So a square is equals to minus 4 over 4, that is minus 1. For a, it's 4a not 4a square, so your a is equals to minus 1. Okay, yeah, this is your a. Now you will put it back in your function so as to get your b. Okay, so when you will substitute a in this equation, okay, you will get your or you can just b. Actually we should be substituting it in, not in here, because if you'll substitute it in here, b and b will cancel out eventually, so how can you find it out? But we have an equation for this, and that equation we have is 16a plus 9b. So let's substitute in that. 16a plus 9b equals to 56. So if we'll substitute minus 1 in there, it will become 6 minus 16 plus 9b equals 56. So 9b equals 56 plus 16. $72. So b equals 72 over 9. So b equals 8. Okay, then we will have to find in part C, we have to find using algebra fully factorized. So for factorizing, the first factor that we have is 3x minus 4. So take this function, put in the a and b values. So minus x square minus 10x plus 8 okay is your function. Now what is your factor? Your factor is 3x minus 4. So your expression, you can use long division for this. Okay, so taking long division, 3x minus 4 outside, putting this x, your function, inside, will give you 3x multiplied will x square will give you 3x cube, so multiplying it with x square Then minus 4 times x square will be minus 4x square. So it will be 4 minus 1 is 3x square minus 10x. So 3x minus 4. So 3x, which will give you, when multiplied with x, give you 3x square. So your next term will be x minus 4x minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6x plus 8. And then minus 2 times will give you minus 6x, and minus 4 times 2 will be 8. So it will just solve, and the result for this long division, you get it to be x square plus x minus 2. Now we need to fully factorize it, so we will factorize this further. We have a quadratic equation. We need two factors that when multiplied give you 2x square and when added give you x. So 2x minus x. Okay, so this is how we broke the middle term into two factors. X plus 2 minus 1 times x plus 2. So this will give you x minus 1 times x plus 2. And the other factor that we have will just be carried forward like this. Okay, so this is how it gets fully factorized into these three factors: 3x minus 4, x minus 1 times x plus 2. This is your part C to question 5.